My name is Chef Lee. I come from the Abu Dhabi. Enjoy this company around for the 20 years. Okay, from 2003 until now. I think teamwork is very important. Okay, I need to manage for my kitchen. Okay, for all the section. Okay, should be consistency of the food. This is very important for customer. Okay, for this company. The Chinese cooking show. Okay, the cooking method is like a Chinese is wok is very important for the Chinese, right? So we cook many of the dish. For example, for like the lobster and then fish and the vegetable and the mix as well. I like it. The food is the lobster, and then the Beijing duck is our signature, right? And then it's very the concept of the Canadian food. The dim sum is Canada left. So the king crab with the scallop. With the scallop, the dry scallop, okay, we mix together, and then king crab we do for the dumpling, and then the snow crab, okay, we do for the chicken stock with the soup, right? So the both together, okay. So I think it's perfect. So the very famous in the Beijing ducks or Hakkasan, okay. I think so. Many people they like it. So the Beijing duck we do for the true flavor. Then one the slice for the Beijing ducks, and then they have the little bit for the mango, and then the sesame chips in the mix. Then another one for the duck buff, with the black-truffle. I think it's very good for you. Wok is very important for the Chinese. I know that, okay, because I cannot do you for that's only for the one wok in the kitchen. So chopper is very good for the Middle East because the local people they like it for the clear food and the clear cuisine. My grandfather also is a chef. Okay, so I live in the family chef. This company is very good for me. I love it.